Today's episode is a must listen. If you're doing this whole thing solo and starting to feel like your to-do list is longer than your lens collection, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking all about systems, the kind that keep your business from burning you out and ideally make you look like you've got a whole team, even if it's just you and your hoodie at 11 o'clock at night editing a wedding reception. Here's the truth. Trying to be everything in your business, photographer, editor, admin, marketer, content creator, bookkeeper, sales rep, is the fast track to burnout. Systems equal sanity. They're what allow you to shoot, serve clients well, and still have time for life. The only hire I've made so far is a virtual assistant. And honestly, I should have done it years ago. She helps me with everything. Emails, scheduling, following up with leads, social media managing, and so much more. Having a virtual assistant is a game changer. Just having someone to handle the back end chaos so I can focus on shooting and building the business. That's a game changer for me. But look, I need a bigger team. I'm currently looking for people that can help me and truly know what they're doing. I need a YouTube and podcast editor because doing it all myself is just not cutting it. A camera assistant is what I need as well for photo shoots for when I'm out doing weddings or engagement sessions. I need a BTS content creator who can snag reels and behind the scenes content while I'm in the zone. Someone to help me keep my financial books clean and stress-free would be great as well. But I'll be real and let you know, finding good help is hard. If you've been there, you know it's a process. Trust is key, and creatives like us, we're really, really picky and for good reason. But one system I absolutely live by is Notion. And let me just be honest, my entire life lives in that app. Client project trackers, workflow checklists, scripts, business planning, and even meal planning if that's what you want. It actually organizes your life. You also need a good CRM. So let's talk about that. I've always recommended Go High Level, not just because I'm an affiliate, but because it genuinely works. It's like having your own digital assistant who never sleeps. This thing does everything. It automates emails. It gives you any type of inquiry forms you need to create, text messaging reminders, lead pipeline tracking, funnels, and even lead automations built right in. And by the way, if you want help getting Go High Level set up for your photography business, DM me. I got all kind of resources that can help you out and get you started in the right path with some photography snapshots. Let's be honest. Here's the mindset I want you to have and to say out loud. You don't need a team of 5 tomorrow. You just need one system, one helper that buys back your time. Start with the system that eases the most stress. And for me, that was a virtual assistant. For you, it might be a CRM or finally organizing your brain in Notion. But do what works for you. Start small, automate what you can, and hire smart when you're ready. And build systems that support creativity and not smother it. But if you want to check out Go High Level for photographers, grab the link in the show notes. And if you need help setting it up, I got you. I got all kinds of photography snapshots that'll get you going really, really quick. And if you're a YouTube or podcast editor and you're listening to this, hit me up because I need help with editing. And if you enjoyed this episode, leave a review, share it with fellow creatives who need to hear this, and follow me on Instagram while you at it. You can follow me at Livingston Lee Photo for more behind the scenes business tips. And also make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Livingston Lee Media. We got a lot of content over there where we talk photography stuff. But until the next time, stay creative, stay organized, and please stop trying to do it all alone. Holla at you on the next video. Peace.